Peter, should we get started or just kind of wait?
Oh, we can start.
Yeah. Okay. Well, seems like it's a light day today. I'm not sure some of the loan officers are getting ready for a meeting later today, but in any case, yeah, happy Tuesday, everyone. Good morning. Let's start off with some wins for the week here. Brady, do you mind starting?
Yeah, I don't mind. Morning, everyone. Let's see. I have a new HELOC application, so that will be my second. So I think I'm going to put it in underwriting by tomorrow.
Awesome. Is this a HELOC, HELOan? Is this a full doc or alt doc?
I think we're gonna go with the loan store, the iFigure program.
Okay. Awesome. Great. So it's a full doc then, right?
I don't think it's full doc. The first one I put in, it's basically it's a self-employment business bank statement.
Oh yeah.
They just connect their, so whatever AI underwriting does, there's no real underwriting, I guess.
Yeah. Awesome.
I mean, they're quick and easy.
Okay, that's been your experience with the first time around?
Say it again.
That was your experience the first time around?
From what I see, yeah. I mean, as long as the borrower completes everything online, that can go real quick.
Oh, is this like the 5-day close one? Is that it, Peter? Or ready? Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it has a loan limit up to 400,000 and other things. And I just saw an update this morning that they're coming up with the variable because the options we had were just fixed rate. But now as of yesterday, I think they have a variable rate option, which is a little bit lower. But so far it's like you said, if they do everything, they could. I mean, like quick, it can go under 10 days.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, keep us abreast on that. I'm curious. Alex, win for the week.
Yes, I got an application. Over the weekend, I did a couple open houses with Joanna, which was really cool. It was very interesting. I met realtors. I met people who have multiple properties, and these people were basically just ready. I helped them fill out the application right then and there. They send me all their docs right there. And
wow.
Yeah, I set up the signs. I picked up the signs. I stayed there. It was an all-day thing. It was 2 houses from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay.
So,
great. Was there anything you were surprised by?
No, I was more surprised how mellow it was, how chill. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be like hectic. I was like overthinking everything, and
yeah.
No, it was actually really cool. And I've never pitched anybody in person, and now I really like it. It's much better pitching in person, honestly.
Did you work both Saturday and Sunday?
Yes, Saturday and Sunday.
Wow. And how many of those who came in? How many prospects were you able to actually really genuinely have a conversation with?
At least 5.
Great! Wow, that's awesome.
And 1 application. Yeah, 1 application.
That is great. Did you get both sides of the spectrum? We're all like, oh, it's okay, no, thank you. I'm working with a lender.
The only person, no, I didn't. Even the realtor was just interested because with realtors, I always tend to lean towards the down payment assistance programs, and they just want information, and that's what I provide. I'm not trying to like sell you anything. I'm just trying to provide you information. And there was only this one person who they're just cash buyers, so they didn't need any financing or anything.
Gotcha.
But I still give them my card and everything.
Did you have a flyer that you took?
Yeah, I had flyers that I passed out. I passed out daily rates as well, and I passed out a few flyers from that Harrison made with a few loan programs.
Okay.
So
great. I mean, for all of us, including myself and any future potential loan officers rewatching this video, that's Alex. Hats off to you. Congrats.
Yeah.
I mean, that's really what we want to hear from your experience, right? I mean, doing all the little, we might consider it mundane things, but it goes a long way. You're building rapport with did you say Joanna?
It's Joanna, yeah.
Okay, great. I mean, you're just building rapport there. And then also, while you're strengthening your relationship with the agent, you're prospecting. So that's amazing. I mean, you basically got the whole 9 yards right there. It seems like
It was a lot of fun, honestly.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it. It was very like, I thought it was gonna be like very hectic, a lot of people, but it was pretty relaxing. The whole
so the
entire
traffic
time I
was
was just,
it wasn't heavy. The traffic wasn't heavy.
it was bad.
Oh, okay.
It was all the way in Moreno Valley, right? And I lived in
Okay.
Garden Grove. So
Uh-huh.
it was pretty, like I woke up at 6:30, I left at 7 just to be over there by 8, right?
Yeah.
So
Wow.
it was a lot. And the way home was like an hour 40 because of the traffic.
Awesome.
But it was worth it in the end, honestly.
Very good.
really
A
liked
great
it.
attitude. I mean, you basically epitomized the full definition of what an open house should be like. So hats off to you, Alex. I hope
What I also noticed was there was a lot of people that were from San Diego that were moving over here, and they were all saying, yeah, San Diego's too expensive now. So they're all like thinking about moving over here.
Well, that's really far up to 15.
Yeah.
Wow. Great job. Great win. That just made my day, to be honest with you. Let's see who else is on. Hannah, you got a quick win you could share with us?
Okay, it's a personal winning. So I learned something new about bank statements loans. So usually I thought bank statement income could not be combined with other income type like W-2. So it looks like Harrington allows mixing incomes like W-2 plus bank statement income if the W-2 income is from other than the self-employer business.
Yep.
So I didn't know that. So in my case, the borrower was 100% owner of his C corp, so he did not qualify. But if you have a borrower with W-2 income from a different employer, I think the mixed income option can help.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. That was something that we covered. Whether you missed it or it's okay, but that was covered about maybe a month and a half ago when we were talking about bank statements. There are several lenders. I actually highlighted a closing of mine with who was it? Kevin Lee file, a bank statement he also works a secondary job. So yeah, there are a few lenders that do allow that. Yes. So good job. Yeah. Keep learning. The more you know, the more empowered you are to go out there. So good job. Yeah. And I just checked right now. Kevin Lee was closed with Carrington. So yeah, good job.
Good enough, sorry.
Who else is here? Is that it? On. Hey, On. Welcome. Good morning. Quick win. On. Nope. I will share a quick win for myself. I actually over the weekend at my son's baseball game got reconnected with an old agent of mine that I used to work with back when I was actually at Bank Home Loans. That was my second stop after Wells Fargo. And she's from the IE. And I was like, whoa, what are you doing over here? And then it happens that she has a son more or less about my age. And she was there to see her grandson. And we reconnected. She's with just forgot that castle. Not a Dream Realty. I forget right now, but it's in Rancho Cucamonga in Victoria Gardens. And then I learned that her husband is now, since the pandemic, became an agent. And so we reconnected. And yeah, hopefully we're gonna be having lunch in the coming days and hope to drive business. That win is just, look, you're out there. Don't ever be afraid, as kind of like what Alex said, just don't be afraid to shake a hand and introduce yourself or reintroduce yourself. You just never know who you're going to run into again. She was really excited that I've kind of evolved over time. It's literally been 10 years since I've seen her. And it was just great. And then for me too, just my evolution with Giving Tree now coming from the banking world. So super excited there.